Dr. J with the Human Movement Institute, where we have improvement for movement. Anytime we improve or restore range of motion of the neck, we want to prescribe the patient with the movement to maintain that. Once the range of motion, mobility, flexibility, and symmetry is restored, the patient will be able to help prevent their neck pain from returning. One of the ways that I teach the patient to do this is to push the ground away with their hands. Extend their elbows, extend the wrists, point the fingers out. You might sense a feeling of warmth or even tingling into the hand and fingers. This is us improving the blood flow to the nerves through the carpal tunnel. Next, after we repeat for 5 or 10 times, we ask the patient to look down, chin to chest. Full cervical flexion is that the chin can touch the chest. Hold for 2 to 3 breaths. Repeat 2 to 3 times, 2 to 3 times a day for long-term neck pain relief and or neck pain prevention. Opening the arms up wide, thumbs back, looking over the shoulder with cervical rotation, looking down through the carpal tunnel to the middle finger. Hold for 2 to 3 breaths each way. Repeat 2 to 3 times. These are more complex movements that are bringing in the upper extremity neurodynamics, the mobility of the nerves or the coating around the nerves, as well as shoulder blade musculature, and restoring neck range of motion. In fact, it's how we move in real life, where we combine movement of our upper body, upper extremities, and neck. Last is restoring cervical extension. So you can interlock your hands or make a triangle. I like to interlock my hands and get the arms overhead to full shoulder flexion. Then I can extend the neck to look in through the triangle I'm making with my thumbs. Hold for 2 to 3 breaths. Repeat 2 to 3 times, 2 to 3 times a day for long-term neck health and prevention of neck, shoulder, mid-back pain, even upper extremity problems. If you like this video, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and share it with your friends and family. It'll greatly help the channel, and I always appreciate it. Take care and talk to you soon.